So, starting off a video in the car for once instead of in the garage. We got some goodies to throw in before the drift event tomorrow, and I plan to go over the car a little bit. But before that, hold on, can we get this up here? How can you really drive a 240 without a cup holder? So, the usual, toss this in. We got some lug nuts to throw the other wheels on, and then we're gonna do a once over. Ta-da! Let's see if you can actually see this. AC holders, hot and cool gear, pretty rad actually. Took like a day to get here and it was from the motherland. So last time at the event I screwed myself over not having the proper lug nuts that actually fit into the wheels with the proper lug key. So I got a spare set of lug nuts. I have extra lug keys, so that wasn't a big deal. Gonna go ahead and get the car fired up. I am so tired from today, but then we're gonna check the fluids, check tie rods, check nuts and bolts, the usual, make sure nothing's loose, make sure everything is cinched down the way I want it to, and then we'll probably take it around the block a few times, but I'll jump into all this now too. See, this is why you go over a drift car. Those spot welds popped, letting the T-bolt clamp up. So take this off, take it back in the house, drill those out, re-spot weld them with the TIG welder. Let's do that. So grabbing some random tools, get out here, water, oil, tie rods, and check this thing out. Gonna go ahead and turn this into the GoPro. So, nothing special in this video, just a quick rundown of throwing the car together. Didn't find anything besides that T-bolt clamp that was an issue. Went ahead and TIG welded it back together. Used all the new setup. It actually came out somewhat decent, not so bad. Spare tie rods were thrown in the car, got the wheels, got the tires. Actually decided to, these 4 tires loaded up to 60 pounds. I'm gonna bring the tent and the tarp, try and keep myself in the shade this time or keep myself dry. I'm gonna throw the big jack and stuff into the Envoy, and I'm gonna bring the Envoy. I have jack stands. And I'll run you guys out front for the basic rundown of tools, I guess, of what do I bring when I'm going to an event like this. Run out to this guy here. And of course, that Fitmendo. But as usual. Oh, the neighbor's going wild. Full of wheels, helmet. I got lug nuts hidden over here. The bag just has a multimeter, spare wiring, the usuals, 12, 10, 14, 17, 19, and I'll grab my impact and stuff off the charger in the morning. But, jump back in the garage. So, now that we're back out here, yeah, it was actually a flip of a coin to see if we were gonna go drift this event. I was thinking about maybe possibly going and just hanging out with the old lady and the family, doing a little hiking, and then while we were hiking I was gonna bring a set of tires and hit a parking lot, some corners, stuff like that. But the coin said go to Spirit Peaks, so we're going to Spirit Peaks tomorrow. It's gonna be 80 degrees, so I'll have water with me and stuff like that in case. But I mean, we're gonna beat the crap out of the car and see what happens. And then July 5th, which is the following weekend after, will be Pat's Acres again, and hopefully this time with a little bit of seat time I'll have knocked the rust off and be able to tandem with some buddies and get some actual good footage, try and vlog it. But tomorrow will also be a day of me just trying to vlog all day long. I'm gonna start the morning off and then I will actually vlog the whole day. But with that, we're gonna end the video here. It's another short crappy one, but just little stuff to keep you guys content, to keep myself content with some content. Yeah, like I said guys, we're gonna end it here. Average Joe channel. Catch you guys later.